26, verse 52, which describes the Apostle Peter drawing a sword to defend Jesus against Roman soldiers, but is told to sheath the weapon. Then said Jesus unto him, Put up again thy sword into his place, for all they that take the sword shall perish with the sword.
Well, I'm going to school now. Here's your lunch. Oh, I'm going to school now.
And now, be good in school and use your lunch.
These two people leave me alone, and I'll bring a stick and fight them tomorrow.
My son, you shouldn't do that because if you live by the sword, you die by the sword. You should pray for them. And report it to the authority.
Blessed are the clean of heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Jesus wants us to follow his example and teaching so that we will be happy. The Beatitudes summarize Jesus' way to happiness, a way of love and caring. These actions are part of obeying God's laws contained in the Ten Commandments.
One